Hi! This short video will give you a summary of contents covered in episode 4. If you haven't watched episode 4, then please do so before watching this video. A link is added in the description below. Let's look at the summary. Number 1. Give it some time. Don't rush through. Number 2. Don't stop with 1 or 2 designs. You can do as many as you want on paper. 3. If you can save funds for your dream design within a limited time, look for interim solutions in the meanwhile. 4. Think longer term while planning. Time just flies. At the end, you will be surprised to see the difference between the initial and final designs. And this is not unusual at all. Enjoy your planning journey. All the best. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please click on the house picture to the right and then subscribe and click the bell icon. Thanks to all of you for your suggestions. And special thanks to my friend Aravinda for suggesting that talking through the initial and final plans will be helpful. This video is dedicated to you. Thanks everybody. Bye-bye.